In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the free Acadience materials for universal screening. So you'll start by going to acadiancelearning.org. Click here under Our Assessments and Acadience Reading. Then you can scroll down to Acadience Reading K-6, Learn More. Scroll down all the way to Resource Hub. You want to make sure that Acadience Reading K-6 is highlighted, and then I would just type in here the grade level material you're looking for. So let's say we're doing universal screening for kindergarten. If we just type that in, then the results will be what we need. I prefer paper and pencil, so I would skip all these digital ones, and you're going to need each of these. So the scoring booklet is what you would need to print and assemble for each student. So if we want to view this, we can see that it's going to be front and back. You'll want to make sure that it flips on the short side, otherwise the backs will be upside down. But you'll need to print all 12 pages, so it looks like you'll need a total of 6 pages, front to back. And again, you'll want to print one of these for each student. Pull them out for the 3 times of the year universal screening that you'll do. You can see here that there's a place to put their scores on the front of the booklet. These are grayed out because those assessments are not required at those times of the year. This then is the student material, so you can look at this. This is what you would print and have available for each student. You just need one set because students don't write on it. So this would be used for the beginning of the year for the letter naming assessment. You can see at the bottom it says benchmark 1. That means it's used at the beginning of the year. Benchmark 2, we're going to use this one. And then also in benchmark 2, we're going to be starting to read nonsense words. Now, in terms of what to say when you give students these papers, that's what this is for. Because not only does it give you a place to record everything, it also tells you exactly what to say. Let's say we're working with first grade. I would find the first grade materials here. Again, I jump right over digital and I go to paper pencil. So here are the scoring booklets for you, the teacher. Again, it shows you which assessments you're going to be giving at different times of the year and gives you a place to write the scores. For here, this is the first time we're going to be doing ORF, Oral Reading Fluency, which requires students to read 3 different passages for 1 minute each and do a 1-minute retell. And so that's why you'll see 3 different items for each. If you would look at the assessment guide, you would find out that you actually circle the median score for each of these to get the score that you compare to the benchmark, to see if students are at risk based on what time of the year, what grade level they're in when they take the test. And again, here are the first grade materials. If we look at this, we can see that this is going to be used for the first benchmark. This one also is being used at the beginning of the year. Here's the nonsense words. As always, they'll be doing this in 1 minute, so you'll see how many they read in 1 minute. This will be used in the middle of the year and so on. I should note that in the middle of the year, first grade is the first time that we start doing ORF, so you'll see the 3 passages here. And in that workbook that you have, you'll also see a place for the retell. And again, this tells you exactly what to do. I hope this has helped you as you look for the Acadience universal screening materials to use with your students. If you'd like to learn more about how to use these materials, what to do with the results, I would encourage you to join my membership, Reach All Readers Plus. Not only do we have thousands of printable resources for teaching K to 3rd grade, we also have trainings including how to do universal screening and follow-up diagnostic assessments to make sure that you truly reach all readers. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you next time.